They told me don't go walking slow, the devil's on the loose. Better run through the jungle, better run through the jungle, better run through the jungle. Oh, don't look back. But I heard a rumbling, calling to my name. 200 million guns are loaded, Satan cries fake aim. Better run through the jungle, better run through the jungle, better run through the jungle. Oh, don't look back, you see. Over on the mountain, under magic fold, let the people know my wisdom, fill the land with smoke. Better run through the jungle, better run through the jungle, better run through the jungle. Oh, don't look back, you see.
Ooh, let's go riding, cruising down the open road. We can put the top down, listen to the radio. Big old Buick and a big old sky, and wheels on fire, and I tell you why. I got a hot rod car. Ooh, let's go prowling, sneaking like we used to do. Way back in the country, cut across the cornfields too. Big old Harley and a big old moon, big old gator putting on the zoom. I got a hot rod car. Got a one-way ticket to the open road. Come on. Got a red line engine and I'm ready to go. Put the pedal to the metal if you wanna ride. If you wanna ride, let's go. Ooh, let's go riding, rolling down an open road. We can put the top down, listen to the radio. Big old Buick and a big old sky, the wheels on fire, and I'll tell you why. I got a hot rod car. Got a one-way ticket to the open road. Come on. Hey. Got a red line engine and I'm ready to go. Pedal to the metal if you wanna ride. If you wanna ride. If you wanna ride, let's go. Ooh, let's go riding. Ooh, let's go riding.
my appetite with all the power you're releasing. It isn't safe to walk the city streets alone. Anticipation's running through me. Let's find the key and turn this engine on. I can feel you breathe. I can feel your heartbeat faster. Take me home tonight. I don't wanna let you go. Can I play with madness? Give me the sense to wonder if I'm free. Give me a sense of wonder to know I can be me. Give me the strength to hold my head up, spit back in their face. Don't need no key to unlock this door. Gotta break down the walls, break out of this bad place. Can I play with madness? The puppet stare at his crystal ball. Can I play with madness? There's no vision there at all. Can I play with madness? The puppet looks again after me. He said, can I play with madness? He said, you're blind to see. You're such a blind to see. I screamed aloud to the old man. I said, don't lie, don't say you don't know. I say you'll pay for this mischief on the throne of the lands. Oh, and then he fixed me with a freezing glance, and the hellfires raged in his eyes. He said, you want to know the truth, son? Lord, I'll tell you the
Zo, dat was weer 5 liter benzine.